Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I am at the stadium. It is Saturday, August 10th, 2019. So today is also the first preseason game for the Raiders. Playing the Rams, playing at home. So let's see how they're looking later tonight. Alright, so last time I was here was the big top out ceremony on Monday. So there are still a lot of people here on a Saturday working. So I'm gonna just zoom in and we'll see what's going on. See a lot of people up here on the canopies above the lanai door area.
Be here when they put the lid on the stadium.
Okay, we got some welding going on. This is right above the lanai door opening on the canopy trusses. Okay, I do have some footage from August 5th, 2018. So I was gonna add it into the Mondays that I put with the top out, but it was just too much going on. So I'm gonna put some of that video in between so you could see how much this has really changed in the 1 year. So I'm gonna go walk around and get some different views and see what we can find going on today. Hello Raider Nation, today is August 5th, 2018. It is a Sunday, so no action. You can start seeing the levels going up over here. You can see a lot more steel going around. So I'm standing on Hacienda. This is the road on the north side of the property. So obviously I'm facing south. last two nights, on Thursday night, Friday night, I drive by at 3 a.m. They were working. I think they're pouring concrete at night because this is so damn hot here in the day. So they're usually not here all the time at night, but they have been a few days this week. Looked like they were working on this side closest to the freeway. Alright, I'm gonna go on, get a couple different views. I'm gonna go get some shots on the other side. So I'm just want you guys to see, you could see these cables hanging down. I'm not sure if they are part of the roof cabling that they're putting in, because they are spaced pretty evenly. Kind of looks like how them cable guides are that are going around the inside of the canopy. That one's coming from the front. There are a lot of guys working up inside this canopy over the, this is the one over the lanai doors. I don't know if you can really see them on here, but there's people like all over inside doing stuff. There's one. Okay, I'm now street level on the north end. So they've been doing, they're cleaning up a lot of the site on this corner. They're just been moving a lot of stuff. You can see this black, they got this all painted up and stuff, black around the edges. And on the east side, they're starting to do the same thing. And if we go up, they're getting a lot more of these, the walls starting to go in. Like these ones here, this should be the third level. Alright, so if I zoom in, you can see these cable guides. So those are all, these cables hanging aren't coming out of those. So So these must be some kind of cabling they're getting all staged to start stringing across when they're ready. Across the other side you can see them good. Get a good look on how wide this opening is, how thick it is. So this is what I was saying when I was up by the bridge. It was hard to get them on video because they're all intertwined in here, but there's guys everywhere up in there. Still got them welding. Zooming in, I can't really tell, but this is one of those enclosed pallets that are covered up in the white, so that one's ripped. Outside in the sun, I can't tell on the screen if this is one of the black panels or not. Okay, I am now on the west side. You can see they're starting to get the roof in. They still have this beer still on this side. Okay, we got Big Red here on the south end. So you can see now where they put when they put the last canopy. That was on the 1st of the month. They've already built out all this outside edge. These are all the pieces that they had, like assembled little pieces of them down in where the field tray slides out by Big Red and the other yellow crane in there. So they actually put all those up this week. If I'm not mistaken, none of this outside edge was on Monday when they did the top out ceremony. I guess they use them to pull on the different steel to get them to line up. It's getting a little windy out here today. On Monday, the ceremony for the top out was across the way over there. So they got everything gone. So you can see that flag. It's a little bit windy out here today. Alright, so that final top out beam that went in it was, back in this area. It was up inside there. From here, it doesn't look like the flags are still up in there. Can't even tell where it's at. If you look at this area here, this is the south end. It looks a lot like the same way they did the north end where the lanai doors are. So it kind of seems like they did the same thing, except this isn't going to open up. Okay, Raider Nation, so that's all I have for today. Over here it's about noon. I'll get this uploaded. It should be in before the game tonight. So it's our first preseason game against the Rams. Hopefully we got some good looking prospects. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, Raiders1967, I'd appreciate it if you would, and that way you get updates on this stadium as well as the new headquarters. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.